Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Alright, what do I got here? I'm gonna make this before I go to bed. Directions are on the back of that same piece. Okay, put in this, no, number one, these berries, and then those berries, and then those berries, and you put in the spoon. And then you put in this stuff here. And then you leave it in the sun. Well, it's like 5:30 in the morning. I could get my fingernail thingy out. I don't know. This is from the other one I did. I think it's going to be a different color, so I'm not going to play with that. Alright. Let's get some berries in there. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh. Come on, I'd like to save the little containers. I wouldn't break them. There you go. I gotta do my nails again. I didn't like that green. I didn't like the red before that. You know, I should stick with the pink. I'm sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera to see if I was in frame. There are two different colors in there. I would notice that. Alright. Why is there a straw sitting here? It's from this one. Get back in there. Alright. What are the directions again? What berries? These berries first. They feel funny. That feels so cute. Parfait. Everybody loves parfait. Maybe I got too many in there. I don't think this is right. Do it again. And then what? Then we're going to put the glaze in and stir it all around and leave the spoon in there. So we need a couple for the top for sure. Okay. Here's another one. Here goes the glaze. I can't believe you stir it first and then you put the glaze on. Okay. I think I should have put some glaze down in the bottom first and then threw some on. I can't see the raspberry. Alright now. Alright now. I guess I don't have to stir it, huh? Well, I would like that to sit on top. Come on. I'm feeling like this is stupid. Maybe because I'm tired. You know what? Just poke it. What the cat? What? I need help. What the heck? It don't go. It don't want to go. It don't want to go. Where's the tweezers? Is it because of the sides? Don't do that. Not with the pen. You've got to be kidding me. I'm not looking forward to the rest of these if this one's that hard. The other one wasn't. Whoops. Don't go on my diamond painting tray. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't want to pick it up. I guess I'm going to pick it up. Could probably do the same thing with the nail polish. Whoops, almost did it again. Okay, so it's this one berry doesn't have any shine on it. Here, put the shine on the finger. Tappy tap the berry. No, stay in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh well. That is how it's going to stay. So I'm going to carry that in the other room and put it on the windowsill later. Okay, so now I know what the glaze is. Maybe I could do another one. So one of these, this one, I think it's this one, has crumb. Oh, my fingernail broke. I'm trying to open that stupid wrapper. Okay. Which one on here? This one. Look at the crumbs on the side. How the heck am I going to get them on the side? I don't have one of those pens. That's not how I'm doing this. Unless I want to set it on the windowsill. Okay. So this guy is going to sit on here. You know what? Maybe it's better you do these things in the morning. The table feels lopsided. This thing feels lopsided. It's this. Okay. Okay. More berries. And some gel. It's a spatula. Where do I want to do it with the spatula? I don't know. Put it underneath. I don't know if I want to do that. Where's the picture again? Well, that's easy looking. What is this? Why can't I use this stuff? Why don't I know to open the right one? Whoa. Okay. Is this upside down? Yeah, okay. But it is lopsided. Okay, it's all over. I will wipe my spatula. You know what? Why do they have to have holes in them? That's the wrong one. This one. Where are the holes at? On the berries. All over the place. No. It looks like they're all... Like I should have put them in there. I'm not putting them in there upside down now. Whoops. Okay, well... I guess that's it. What did I pay for these things? Like $5 each? No. Is this Velcro? What? I don't understand it. Oh my god. Is this not gonna fit on like that? Wait till he's done. Wait till it's dry. Before you play with. Okay. Alright. So these are my 2 dishes. And I'm gonna go put them in the windowsill. Big whoop-de-doo on that. What about the... How am I ever gonna do the one with the crumbs? How am I ever gonna get crumbs on the side? Like... They feel like actual crumbs. I'm gonna wait to do that one because I just don't know. And I need... I don't know. I don't know what I need. I'm scared of it, I guess. You know, of making like a really big mess and get that hair off. There's a little hair. Maybe I should put some of that glaze on these ones. Make them pretty. No. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. Playtime is over. Good night. Peace out. God bless.